Young plants are newly grown plants, seedlings, shoots, that are not yet fully mature, but already have basic parts like roots, stems, and leaves. These plants are fragile, require extra care, air and nutrients, and have the advantage of adapting easily to new environments. Coffee grounds are highly beneficial for plants because they contain essential macro and micronutrients, such as nitrogen, potassium, magnesium, calcium, and sulfur, which enrich the soil. Besides being an organic fertilizer, coffee grounds effectively repel pests like snails and slugs, improve soil structure, increase water retention, and speed up the composting process. Transforming dead soil into fertile soil requires a combination of physical improvements, nutrient additions, and biological ecosystem restoration. The key is increasing organic matter through compost or manure, improving soil aeration, and activating beneficial microorganisms using biofertilizers or EM4. Avoid burning the land to maintain soil structure and microbial integrity. The combination of potato peels and papaya leaves is an excellent mixture for making homemade liquid organic fertilizer. Potato peels are rich in potassium, K, and phosphorus, P, while papaya leaves are rich in nitrogen, N, and the enzyme papain, which helps speed up the decomposition of organic matter and acts as a plant protectant. Application method: watering. Mix 1 part liquid fertilizer with 5 to 10 parts clean water, 1 to 5 or 1:10. Sprinkle it onto the soil around the plant roots. Foliar spray. Strain thoroughly, mix 1:10 with water, and spray onto the leaves in the morning or evening. Frequency. Use once every 1 to 2 weeks for best results during the growing season. Benefits of liquid organic fertilizer for plants. Faster nutrient absorption. Liquid organic fertilizer is absorbed more quickly by plants than solid fertilizers due to its liquid form, making it highly effective in addressing nutrient deficiencies instantly. Increases photosynthesis and vigor. Its nutritional content helps chlorophyll formation, increasing photosynthesis and making plants more robust, strong, and healthy. Stimulates root and shoot growth. Application of POC stimulates root development, the growth of productive branches, and the formation of flowers and fruit buds. Improves soil structure. Liquid organic fertilizer, POC, effectively increases plant fertility by providing essential macro and micronutrients, improving soil structure, and stimulating biological activity. POC accelerates vegetative growth, increases chlorophyll, strengthens plant resistance to pests and weather, and supports sustainable long-term crop productivity. Quality characteristics. Mature fertilizer typically has a sweet and sour aroma, not rotten, is brownish-yellow in color, and has a neutral pH. Safety. Using liquid organic fertilizer is safer for plants than chemical fertilizers due to the lower risk of root damage, especially at the correct dosage. Cleaning yellow leaves increases nutrient effectiveness. Yellow or dry leaves no longer photosynthesize and absorb nutrients. Transmission ensures that nutrients from the fertilizer are directly absorbed by healthy leaves in new shoots. Causes of fungal diseases. Dead yellow leaves that fall into the growing medium can harbor fungal or bacterial diseases that can spread to other parts of the plant. Focus plant energy. Plants won't waste energy maintaining unproductive leaves. so nutrients are focused on growing new shoots. Improved aesthetics and sanitation. Cleaning leaves keeps plants looking fresher and prevents the buildup of organic debris in the pot, which can lead to excess moisture. Plants that thrive after applying liquid organic fertilizer, POC, generally show significant physical changes quickly, around 1 to 2 weeks, because the nutrients are immediately absorbed. The following are signs of thriving plants after applying POC. Leaves become bright green. Previously yellow or stunted leaves turn a bright, healthy green, indicating good chlorophyll formation. Rapid new leaf growth. Numerous new leaf shoots appear on the plant. Wider, stronger leaves. Plant leaves become wider, less wilted, and have a firmer texture. Increased plant height. Plant stems grow significantly taller and more upright. Stronger root system. Plants have a deeper and more extensive root system, which helps them absorb air and nutrients more effectively. Liquid organic fertilizer, POC, can be made through the fermentation process of organic materials such as kitchen waste, vegetables, fruits, livestock manure, or animal urine. Generally, the materials are finely chopped, mixed with water, sugar, molasses as an energy source, and a bioactivator, such as M4. Then fermented in a closed container for 14 days until they smell like fermented cassava. Liquid organic fertilizer, POC, can be stored for long periods, from several months to more than a year, depending on the storage method and product quality. To ensure its longevity, store the POC in a clean, airtight container, plastic or glass, in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Storage of liquid organic fertilizer, storage container. Use a non-reactive, tightly closed container. Airtight containers are essential to maintain the stability of the microorganisms inside. Environmental conditions. Avoid exposure to direct sunlight, high humidity, and extreme cold temperatures. A stable temperature helps maintain the quality of the nutrients and microbes inside. Signs of deterioration. Although it can be stored for a long time, the quality of liquid organic fertilizer can decline over time. Before use, always check the physical condition and odor. If there is an unusual odor or a significant change compared to when it was first prepared, the fertilizer should be discontinued. Give it regularly, usually once a week with the right dilution.